Update, just want to do a video. Was able to make $4,000 yesterday almost. It was like 3,800, I believe, in something. Super busy, man. I wanted to make a video so bad. I apologize. It's crazy because I actually did a video on this project 2 days ago when I invested in it, and I didn't record right on my computer. So you can hear my audio, but you cannot see the visuals. But I want to share with you guys the project and what happened. So it's called Samurai, and it is a node. Look how beautiful that is. It's a node, and it's similar to Ring. It's actually a fork of Ring. And the way that it was set up, you would buy 100 Samurai and you would make 15 a day passive income, which is a very good return because in 7 days you get all your investment money back if it played out the way that they say it's going to play out. Anyways, I got in around $16 per coin, so $16.50 I invested, $1,650, and then in 24 hours the token price jumped up to $62, and I ended up getting out around 54, I believe. But it was $3,800 profit. I just rounded to 4 grand. And I apologize, I did not record the video right. You guys gotta understand, sometimes I'm not able to record till like very late night. Like last night I wanted to do an update and share the news, but I was just so tired, and then I gotta move the funds around and invest daily as well. But anyways, I'm gonna do my best today to make some videos, but I wanted to make this video. It's called Samurai. The token is Katana. You can look at the charts and verify what I'm saying. KTNA. And right now it's at 41 cents or $41. So ideally, I would really like for the token to go back down to like 10 or 20, because I would get back in on a position. I would get 100 of them, and then I would continue to go forward with this node process they're doing. Only thing about it is they're migrating from V1 to version 2, and they're saying you have this migration time which is 24 hours, and to me that creates a sense of urgency, but it also puts people in a position where they kind of like have to hurry up and buy and migrate, and I don't really make hasty decisions. And looking at it now at 41, am I willing to invest basically all my profit from this move in a super high risk investment? No, I'm not. And I asked myself this, if I didn't make the 4,000 yesterday, would I invest in this? And the answer is no, because it's one thing to invest $500 on a high risk project. It's another thing to invest $4,000. But I just want to be fully transparent with you guys, man. We're getting some good feedback on the channel. You guys are a blessing. So yeah, check it out, samurai.financial. Once again, this is not financial advice. Do your own research. These things are very high risk. You can lose all of your money. Don't just ape in, thinking you're going to become a millionaire, putting a bunch of money on a project, because you can lose everything. I'm just showing you moves that I'm making and giving you ideas and strategies. I'm a strategist, that maybe you can get a revelation and make a move that can change your life. And we've already got actually somebody on the channel and people saying, that they're already making moves and already making money, which is awesome. It's amazing, because in 1 week, we've called 3. We called Nemesis at 3x. We've called Bomb that more than 3x'd, B-Share, and then now we actually called Samurai. And that's in 1 week. And we've only been making content for about a week now on crypto. I mean, I've watched videos for months and months and months on people buy this coin and 100x your money. And I didn't make really no money doing what they were saying. So I hope you guys are getting value. I really just want to do this update tonight. I'll get on the computer and I'll show you, what's going on. Right now, I want to tell you though, there's a play. It could be something. It's called Charged. So on Twitter, and their website is Charged DeFi. So it's ChargedDeFi.finance, I believe. But that is it looks like it's similar to another fork of Tomb Finance and Bomb Financial. Right now, the TVL is 20 million. The daily interest is 15%. Yesterday, this thing 7x. I really wish I would have found this sooner. But like I said, I've been busy and I haven't had the time to invest more in researching and finding these gems. But I think this could definitely be something. They've been audited by Certix. So Certix, whatever it is, that's always good. You know, it doesn't mean that it's fully rug proof or anything like that. But it's nice when they're audited and there's some accountability. You're looking for accountability in projects. You're looking to know who the creators are. You're looking for proven track records. That, you know, you're looking for credibility. But I think this one could be something. Check it out. I'm gonna probably get in today and invest something and go from there. But I just wanted to update, you know, because I wasn't able to sit at the computer. I wasn't able to do the videos I wanted to do. I really apologize. I might just upload the video where I called Samurai just for proof, because it's good when you have videos and you're calling something and then the next day it literally, you know, 3x's, you know. That's something I don't see a lot on these YouTubers that are making all these videos, you know. I just want to be real with you guys. Listen, hey, sometimes things work out, sometimes it doesn't. So always look at your risk and your reward ratio and make sure that you're taking profits when you do win. Do not get greedy and do not become like a gambler with crypto. This is not gambling. It's not a casino. All right. If you're in this, you're an investor. All right. You're in this to make financial gains. And you know, that's why, like yesterday, okay, what if the nodes run out for Samurai? You know, everything works out exactly how they say it's going to work out. I would have made a lot more money staying in, but that's not a risk I'm willing to take. That's a big risk. There's no audit as of yet. There's no transparency about who the devs are. I think it may do okay, but I mean, really, logically, come on, this is crypto. There's rug pulls all over. People are selfish, and I'm not saying nothing against them. I'm just saying humans in general are trying to get ahead for themselves. So just be smart with your money. I don't want you guys to lose money. The number one rule is don't lose money. All right? That's the number one rule in investing. Don't lose money. The number two rule is make money. So yes, we all want to make money. We want to make profit, make gains. But the first thing you should be concerned with, in my opinion, is not losing money. You don't want to lose your money, okay? So don't take super high risk, foolish moves. And if you do, only invest a little bit of money that it's not even going to affect you if you lose it. You see? Anyways, just wanted to update you guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the love. Man, we're going to have some new bangers coming out. I want to see you guys make money, man. I want to see you guys be blessed. I want to see you guys have financial freedom and, you know, improve yourself, improve your lives. And I just want to help any way that I can. But I'm super excited because in the last 2 days, by the grace of God, have made $5,000 pretty much. Yeah, about $5,000 right now. 4,800 to 5,000 in the last 2 days on 2 plays. And I don't say that to boast. I don't say that. I'm humbled and I'm grateful. All right. And I give God glory for everything that good that may happen in my life. He is a very large part of my life. He is my life. And I just want to be a blessing to you guys, man. So anyways, have an awesome day. And click the bell for notifications. And subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Love the comments. Thank you for the likes. Trying to bring you the best quality videos I possibly can. And you're going to see the good, the bad, the ugly. You're going to see wins. If there's losses, you're going to see losses. You're going to see everything. That way you can learn from my decisions. God bless.